Can you connect your CoinMarketCap to Binance? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can connect your CoinMarketCap to Binance. Well, the process itself is relatively easy and relatively simple, so let's guide it through. In order to connect the CoinMarketCap to Binance, what you can do is simply head into your browser and head into coinmarketcap.com. Well then, once you're here, simply log into your account. Once you're logged in, at the bottom of your screen you can see Market, Watchlist, Portfolio, Community and Open App. Now I'm here on the browser, but you can do so on the app as well. Once you're here, you can simply head into Portfolio, whether you are on browser or app. Then here you can see you'll get the option that says Connect your wallet, Add transactions manually, Connect Binance account and Connect OKX account. In order to connect your Binance account, simply tap on Connect Binance account. Then here, simply tap on Continue with Binance. Then go ahead through the prompts. It will ask you to enter in your Binance details. So you can see if you have the app, it will automatically take it and log in. Then simply tap on Confirm and you're good to go. So now here I have some application error, probably because my app isn't updated to the latest version, but make sure you have done so and you're good to go. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.